hope you're all keeping well. I'm here today with Freddy Frog and we're going to be doing some phonics with him. So first of all, we're just going to go through some sounds. I'm going to go first and then you're going to go after. So we're going to start with ch, e. What can you see? Very good. Nk. I think I stink. Better letter. Well done. Next one. Ooh. Poo at the zoo. Good job. Ooh. Look at a book. Shh. Ng. Thing on a string. And last one. Qu. 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 Queen. Good job, everybody. How do you think they did, Freddy? I think they did really well. Give yourselves a thumbs up. So, today we're going to be looking at our sound A. A. May I play? I wonder if you recognise this one or not. So, again, I'm going to go first, then it's your turn. Ready? A. May I play? Well done. Let's see if I can trick you out. If I hold up this side, I want you to say A. And if I hold this side up, you need to say, may I play? Well done. What do you think, Freddie? Do you think we're going to be able to trick them? Or Freddie thinks you're too clever for me to trick them? Trick you. Right, here we go. A. May I play? Ready? May I play? May I play? A. A. May I play? Well, how did you do? Did I manage to trick any of you? I bet I didn't. I bet you're very good. Now, what two letters make up our digraph? A. That's right. A. Y. Make A for may I play. What we're going to do now, pardon Freddy? Yes, give yourselves a clap. Good work so far. So, we're going to look at some words that have this A sound in them. So, first of all, I've got this picture. What is that? This is something that horses like to eat. Do you know what it is, Freddy? That's right, did you guess? Horses like to eat hay. Now, I need your help in telling me how to write it. So could you sound it out for me, please? Let's start. Let's think about the sounds we've got in our word. H, A, hay. So there we have two sounds. H, A. So let's go. Our first sound is, well done. And next we have, that's right, we have our sound for today, A. A. H, A, hay. Good job, thank you everybody. Oh, let's sit Freddy up there so he can see better. Okay, next one. You use this in school, if you're school dinners, to carry your dinners on. Can you remember what it's called? It is a tray. T, tray. That's got 3 sounds in it. T, r, a. Once again, could you help me write it, please? Ready? T, r, well done. Using our special sound for the day, A, we have T, R, A, tray. Good job, everybody. Thank you. I have another one. Freddie, are you knocking down my sounds? I hope not, because you need to be helping and doing good listening. Right. Okay, it was an accident. That's okay then. Next one, I have a picture of a park. P-A-R-K, park. That doesn't have our A sound in it. Thank you, Freddie. Freddie says our word is something that we do in parks. What do we do when we go to a park? Yes, you're right. We play. P-L-A, play. That has 3 sounds. P-L-A, play. So, can you send it out for me as I'm writing it so I don't forget? Let's go. Well done. P-L-A, well done. P-L-A, play. Thank you. Oh, we have another one. We have a picture of somebody making a pot. But do you know what they're making the pot out of? Do you know, Freddie? A little bit tricky. Now, if you were in year 3, or when you get to year 3, you make round houses out of this. It is clay. K-L-A, clay. That word has 3 sounds. Let's try it again. K-L-A. Well done. Can you spell it out for me, please? Making sure it's the curly cur. We don't need a kicking cur for this word. Well done. K-L-A. K-L-A. Clay. Well done. We have one more word to do. Yes, you've got it. It's a crayon. Oh, don't get worried. It sounds like a really long word, but when you break it down, it's so easy. I wonder if you can help me teach Freddie how to break it down. Okay, let's see. Ready? K-R-A-O-N. Crayon. Well done. Take it sound by sound. Ready? K-R-A-O-N. Crayon. Well done. Do you want to have a go while I'm writing it out? Let's go. Make sure I'm spelling it correctly. Ready? K-R-A. Well done for remembering our special A. K-R-A-O-N. Ready? K-R-A-O-N. Good job. Well done. See, I knew you could do it. So let's recap all the words that you have helped me to spell out. And we're going to show Freddie how we blend them all together. Ready? We have H-A, hay. T-R-A, tray. P-L-A, play. K-L-A, clay. K-R-A-O-N, crayon. Good job, everybody. Well, today we have learnt that new sound. We have learnt a may I play. I think you all need to give yourselves a big, big pat on the back. Ready? Oh, and you, Freddy. Ready? Good job. Well done. Now, we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. I wonder if you can think of any more words that have our A sound in them. If you can think of any, or if you would like to draw your own pictures of them, of the words with them in, I'd love for you to share them with Freddy on Twitter at Miss P Gilchrist or on @QHA Thurrock. Can you see that, Freddy? Freddy would love to see what words you could come up with. Keep safe, everybody, and we'll see you next time.